Hey you guys, so today I just received this sweet new portable Bluetooth speaker called the Mirtune C2 by Tronsmart. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So this is the Tronsmart Mirtune C2 portable outdoor speaker. Yeah, let's take a look inside the box. Some instructions. There's the aux cable, charging cable in here. And here's the speaker itself. Really small and compact. And so yeah, let's go check this out and see how it works. The speaker features dual full range drivers for high quality 360-degree surround sound, giving it rich detail quality with punchy bass, helping to immerse you in any media from your music, movies, video games, and more.
Haven't helped my mind, yeah. Still thinking of you, been losing track of time. So I pop these pills to slow down on this ride. Making my way up as I put feelings aside.
It's super easy to connect to any device such as your phone, tablet, or laptop just by connecting with Bluetooth. Around the top and bottom of the speaker has built-in LED lights that sync up to the sound of your music. You can even personalize the light display to transform your space into a beautiful light show, enhancing the audio and visual experience. It sports immersive stereo sound with its separate channels, giving it a wider soundstage for better extensive sound quality. And the speaker is super portable and compact for added convenience, so it's great for any outdoor adventures. It has a built-in 3600 milliamp battery, so you can keep the music going for up to 24 hours of non-stop playback. So it's great for any gatherings, parties, or just relaxing by yourself. The speaker is also IPX7 Waterproof, so you can take your favorite tunes with you to the beach or the pool without worrying about splashing. It also means it can handle rain, snow, and other weather conditions when using the speaker outside. And so yeah, if you are looking for a high quality portable speaker, then definitely check out the Tronsmart Mirtune C2. See you guys.